In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file from images on your laptop or computer. Let's start by talking about what we're actually doing. A PDF is a universal document format that keeps your images and layout looking the same on any device. Turning separate image files into one PDF is perfect for things like scanned documents, notes, or photo collections that you want to share or print in one go. First, gather all the images you want to include. It really helps to keep things organized. So create a new folder on your computer and move all of the images you'll use into that single folder. This makes it easier to select them later and helps you avoid accidentally mixing in the wrong file. Next, check the order of your images. PDFs will usually follow the order in which your images are arranged when you select them. If you need a specific sequence, you can rename your files so they sort correctly. For example, with numbers at the beginning, like 01, 02, 03, and so on. That way, when we convert them, the pages in the PDF will appear exactly in the order you want. Now, on your laptop or PC, open a web browser and search for How to make a PDF file from images in laptop or PC. In the search results, you'll see several online tools that can combine images into a PDF. Choose a reliable, well-known site that clearly states it converts images to PDF. You don't need to install anything for most of these, which keeps the process simple. Once you're on the converter site, look for a button that says something like Upload Images or Select Files. Click that, navigate to the folder where you stored your images, and select all of them at once. Most sites let you drag and drop the files directly into the page as well. After uploading, many tools show thumbnails of your images. Take a moment to confirm that everything is there and in the right order. If the site allows rearranging, you can drag images around until the sequence looks correct. When you're happy with it, look for the option to create or convert to PDF and click it. The site will process your images and then give you a download button. Click to download your new PDF and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or documents folder. Finally, open the PDF on your computer to double-check that all pages are clear, readable, and in the correct order. Once you're satisfied, you're done. You've successfully turned your images into a single PDF file on your laptop or PC.